enjoy. Let's go, Max. So you want a movement? What's so special about it? What's the difference game movement and between the movement? So let's go. I don't get. I haven't looked into one of those. I've got these. Better listen to your thing. Welcome everybody to the crazy town. About to place available top stop. Let's top stop. Let's go. Another crazy time. And what do you guys think? Which do you think? Let's go, people who haven't. Alright, level high small team. Right after I tell ya about the green, blue, or yellow flag, which one you want? So let's go. Yeah, that's a double on a you can do here. 200x, enjoy your. Oh, baby!
Joke you'll be hearing from me today, but you know, no promises. You know me, you know how I get when I'm nervous. Okay, are we good? 9x on blue side and 4x on red side. I have a feeling I forgot to pay the electricity bills last month. Sorry guys, let's go. Here we go, hoping for blue. Okay, that's the red side. My dreams did not come true, but it's fine. We'll try to find another shooting star later. 4x multiplier still. He's a multiplier. Congratulations to the winners. 7,497 winners. Top is going to be Zivo with a full point 8,000. Let's get it. It's very tough. Bro, chill. Coin flip is always terrible, I swear. Hey, that's not nice to say. Well, okay, may I ask? Well, I guess if that's how you believe, if that's how you view it, I truly hope you're not placing your bets on coin flip in that case. I don't know. Because it would be quite something if that was the statement you were making, yet you were still placing your bets on it. Curious. Pachinko. Pachinko, guys! Back-to-back bonuses. You know, I'm just getting warmed up. What can I say? For a guy like me, just another day in the office. Let's go, guys. I do bet on it? Oh, no. Okay, well, hopefully next coin flip is going to be better for you then. And everybody else as well. 3, 7, 10, 20, 200. Oh, snap. We got a 200. And a double. So, yeah, let's see what we can get. Hopefully that 200, I would prefer that over anything else. But let's see. Come on, guys. Go, go, go. I'm running. Man, I hit a bit of a leg day yesterday. Not really. I did some squats. Come on, 200, please, please. Yeah, buddy! Woo! What a start to the day. Let's go. Yeah, boy. 8,700 winners. Zivo 100. Spin is made. Good luck. Here we go, guys. I wish you the best. 10x number 2. Okay, so time for another one. Facts. We need to get another one. We got a... Oh, boy. Nice. We got a 2 with a 10x. Top slot. Yes, sir. Awesome. 20-1 payout. Congratulations to the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, 5,798 winners. Top going to be TNT with 6.1 thousand, SR 4.5, Ludwig 2.4 thousand. Great job. Betting time. Now time for the spin. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wee. Bro, yes, I'm listening. What do you have to say? What is it that you want to say, sir? 3x on crazy jump. Sir, yes, sir. It's a pachinko. Am I dreaming? Or is this true? Woohoo! We got a pachinko, guys. Let's go. Are you ready? I don't know if I'm ready. I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest. Starting with a 5x multiplier. 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 200, and yeah, 200x is going to be the max multiplier. Let's go. Oh, man, these stairs, bro. My legs hurt. The leg day. It's too much. Good luck. We hit a leg day like Andy. That's why it's, you know, took a heavy toll on my body. Please, 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 please. Yes, sir! Woo! Let's go! For a redrop, 5x on crazy jump. I want to hear your side. Nico. Mr. Sneeko. Sneeko! No, it's Sneeko, number 1. Just kidding. Congratulations to the winners. A glitch should be a redo. I mean, it wasn't really a glitch. It's just like the monitor just rebooted, or like the screen rebooted. But like all the segments were in the same spot. Either way, it didn't really change anything about the game. I mean, I can understand your point of view, but it's not really. No, I would agree that it should be a redrop only if that happens during the drop itself. Let's go, baby! 4x on crazy jump. Because like, if it happens like before we even drop the puck, then why should it be a redrop? It just doesn't make really any sense. Let's go, guys! Time to get crazy!
The next one, Pachico to top slot, so yeah, let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're landing on number 2, so here it is, number 2, coming around. Yeah, 3 Cape total winners. We get Caesar, BLST on Pure, CNK. Top winners, if it is, then here's the next one. So, of course, Good luck with that spin now. Yes, it's about to happen. Hopefully you took care of your bets. Of course, so just a lot of big fireworks when I got home. Just little ones on the ground. All right, so got some proper fireworks going on in there, Jeffrey. I say 20 extra Pachico. That's a proper top slot, though. Oi, come on. You wish you didn't say that right now, probably. Bingo plus, right? We got that Pachinko with 20x on top! Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, gather around. Listen up, people. This should be interesting. Okay. First things first. Let's see what are we dealing with here. Listen up, people. Any single is beautiful. Any single of those multipliers looking very, very delicious. We got 400x in the max to catch, so let's go and get it. Good luck. From the top, make a drop. And running down the stairs. Come on, baby. Come over here. Yes. The answer is yes. Congratulations, everybody. 6.9K total winners. We got the 400x rolling in. You know, I'm not going to scream. I'm just going to enjoy the moment with y'all over there. Whoo! Boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh dear. 4x on 10 on the top slot. Now, how about that? How about that? That was pretty impressive. Whew. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna proceed with a spin, if you don't mind. Yeah. And welcome to every one of you. For those who just came here, my name is Chris. And today I'm gonna be a host for the next 5 minutes. Yes. Okay, another one hard spin. Here we go. Love you too, on save. Okay, getting close to number 5, I hope. No. We have a number 1 for this round too, guys. $721 million total. Why I'm not swinging my dress? This player is getting my nerves, okay, Nash? And it feels that they're so silly. We have a crazy time. Nash is smiling right now. Okay, let's go for a crazy time. It's okay, what's happening? Thank you guys for playing. Let's go. Okay, I'm the red girl. Oh yeah, I'm the red girl. Third crazy time during my session. And oh, triple. Feels cool. Alright guys, pick up your color. Alright, we have a 0x multiplier, the highest one. Feel free to catch it. On the yellow color, 20 and 25 on master colors. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, nice. We're gonna proceed with another one spin right now.
Just give me some money, please. I want to get some money as well. Yeah, because I feel like the last 24 hours. Bobby, do your magic crazy time with the 5x in the top slot. And there we go. We go for the number 2s. Compliments with the number 2. So we get a lovely, beautiful number 2, ladies and gentlemen. So there we go. With a 6 out of 48 plays, but it's mistake. You get 149 the other way. Right, so welcome to our one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make the spin 5 seconds. I don't know, I get a feeling I just need a little bit of warm up. Probably we gotta catch something a little bit powerful. But you know, just sometimes takes time. Give me the time to warm up. Tops off a number time with a 20x. 20x for the number time. What do you think about number time with a 20x? Like right here, buddy. That was a really beautiful start already. We got a lovely...
Bets are closed. And we got a number 5. $1,239. Congratulations goes to you. Special compliments goes to top happiness, and betting time is open now. How do you know I'm not well? How can you feel what I feel? Interesting. Bets are closed. Cause I feel better than ever. 7x and crazy time from the top slot. Oh my god, the crazy time with 7x. Guys, wow. Whoa. What's going on? What is going on? Hi guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? Cause I missed you. 2,169 total winners. Congratulations, and bets are open. Wow, what an amazing crazy time round.